It's Kathy, and I work with Dr. John Artemenko in Sterling Heights, Michigan. I've done some video blogs about issues like toothbrushing and flossing. I'd like to talk a little bit about what might happen in your appointment when you walk into the room with the dental hygienist. She might sit down next to you. At least I do this, and we talk. We spend about 2-3 minutes, and we just talk about what's going on in your life. I'm not being nosy. I feel like my patients are family, and we share, and we reciprocate with information, but you know, I'm really listening for clues, because you may have things going on in your life that are going to influence what I'm seeing going on in your mouth. For instance, you're telling me that you're struggling with some dieting plans right now. You're not nutritionally as sound as you'd like to be. Maybe you're not exercising the way you had been. You've got some stresses going on with kids going off to college, or job situations that have changed, or different worries you have. Maybe you're taking care of an aging parent. We're seeing a lot of that in practices now with our population taking care of both youngsters coming back to home and aging parents. Those things are going to impact your life, they're going to impact your general health, they're going to impact your mouth. So I'm looking and hearing clues from you. I may see signs of struggles with toothbrushing, with flossing, struggles with grinding, clenching, jaw joint changes because of issues that are going on with your general health. These are all clues. So those couple minutes I sit down and talk with you, they're really important. Give your hygienist and dentist the heads up. They need to hear that stuff from you. I'll talk more about issues like this soon. See ya. Bye-bye.